Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a super fun video for you today. It's all about designing and styling your outdoor space. In Southern California, we have hot weather year round. Summer probably bleeds into like November, December, so there's never a bad time to entertain in your backyard. We're currently sitting in my own backyard and I've just swapped out some of the furniture. Before, I had this huge honkin' lounge furniture that LaHubs absolutely hated. If you follow me on Insta stories, you would have seen me take you on a treasure hunt to find brand new backyard and lounge furniture. We were looking for lounge furniture in a smaller footprint that wouldn't take up the entire expanse of our backyard. So I'll take you on a little tour of my backyard, complete with brand new furniture, and show you how we styled the space. Planning your outdoor space isn't that much different than planning an indoor space. The first thing you have to do is figure out how you want the space to function for you. LaHubs and I do a lot of entertaining, so what I love is for my guests to hang out, chill out, have a conversation with one another, and just enjoy our outdoor space. One of the things that I absolutely hate about designing a furniture plan is when your guests can't even talk to each other. You have a sofa over here, a chair over here, another one facing like a TV. What you want to do is plan the space so that the conversation areas are right next to each other and your guests can see eye to eye. When buying pieces for your outdoor space, don't be afraid to mix and match furniture. As you can see, my lounge set, coffee table, and day bed are all from different vendors. The key trick to making them work in the space is to layer with throw pillows and throw blankets in the same color palette. In this case, we use a very neutral tone of beige and navy to tie everything in together. I love to mix in a little bit of pattern to give the space a pop, and it makes the entire backyard look more vibrant. I don't leave my throw pillows and throw blankets outdoors, but if you do, make sure that you purchase outdoor performance fabric so that it could withstand the weather. I leave a cupboard right inside the backyard lounge area so that I could store all my throw pillows and throw blankets, especially when it's not in use. The daybed and coffee table were from my original lounge set, but since it's all in a really neutral color palette, they vibe really well with my new furniture. I love to style the outdoor space with a ton of plants. Clearly, you know how I love living in that jungalow. The most drought-tolerant type of plants for outdoor spaces are succulents. I've been replanting and repotting these succulents for probably like 3 or 4 years, ever since I moved into this house. I want to take you guys on a little bit of a plant tour to see all the succulents that I've replanted over the years and how to propagate this huge giant succulent that's been giving me baby plants for years on end. Let's go take a look. So I'm standing next to one of my favorite succulent trees in my entire backyard. When I originally purchased this plant, it was probably just a little bit taller than I am. And after having lived here for almost 4 years, I've been able to propagate this tree, cut off some of the stems, and replant so many baby trees right out of this. I'll show you how simple it is and how you can style your front and backyard with a ton of these baby succulent trees. Step back to see what branches need to be trimmed. Grab a ladder for those hard to reach areas. You want to trim branches from a thick base so the new tree will have a substantial root to grow from. Now grab an extra pot and fill it with soil. Cut the extra stems or leaves at the base of the root to create your new tree. Wear gloves because when you cut these succulents, they tend to get sappy. Pack the individual stem tightly in the soil, then water and repeat as necessary. Create the new potted look you want by filling it with your desired number of stems. In this case, we use 3. If the stem is too tall, all you have to do is trim the base to the desired height. Save the smaller stems for smaller pots. They make the perfect vignette when styled with other plants. So that's it for this latest video on how to design and style your backyard. I hope you guys got some cool, simple tips to help you zhuzh up your backyard so you can enjoy it year-round. Remember that styling and designing your backyard is pretty much the same as any interior space. Treat it like one of the rooms you have in your home. Layer it with pillows, throws to make it super comfy so you never want to leave. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.